Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to see about how to build a regular classification model using LLM. So we know how to build a classification model, right? We get data and train it, and later we evaluate it. So this is a process regular ML has, but when to use LLM into it? Because LLM made everything simple and easy, and when it comes to text, it handles very well. So I'm just planning to use LLM for any text data. So it is going to classify it, and also a small touch on the TF and IDF close towards it. I'll just explain like how it is going to happen. So it is a simple front end that I just created for a hybrid LLM classifier. Why? Because it is going to use both uh, TF, IDF, and ngrams in order to understand your text, and LLM to identify the classification, to classify it based on the threshold level which we just gave as a prompt. So, happy, classified as positive, and I'm sad, classified as negative. So it's a simple classification model which we know, and a batch classification, training data also. We can feed the training data. So it works along with LLM based on the confidence level that we give. If it is not working, it will use the actual weights which is available in the training data that we shared. So it is a combination of LLM and the regular machine learning model. I'll tell you what all things that I included in this particular application. So it involves the key features in this application with LLM classification, where I use my Gemini API key to provide the confidence score and reasoning, and it handles the text and nuances in the sense it just ignore those junk words from it and calculate the score for it. And then traditional ML, I use TF-IDF, term frequency inverse document frequency, and question similarity in order to understand the calculation, the words and its frequency level, how many words have been identified and how important it is to give priority for that and to find the sensitivity in it. So traditional ML I use. So combining these two approach, I'm building this entire application with that so that we don't completely rely on LLM because it fails at one point because it can hallucinate by itself thinking, okay, the user is saying this, I understood in this way. So there will be like possibility. So I use traditional ML calculation measures for it to understand the terms, the sentence that we gave. And after the understanding it from the confidence score, it calculates the confidence score from that similarity basis, the sensitivity, and it classifies based on that. So hybrid approach combines both methods intelligently, uses agreement between models for higher confidence. So based on the sensitive part like frequency, it understands the importance of particular word and classifies based on that. Because when it comes to sensitive, sentiment analysis, it should understand the tone of a user. We can't just feed the tone, right? Whether they are saying it in a angry based or happy. I can just say like, I'm not sad, like that. By laughing, we can't feed the tone, right? For that, we just used LLM for it. That falls back to strongest method and they disagree. I have uploaded the same application in the Git repo. I have shared the link also. You can modify your code based on this logic. It is a front end with a few logic. Just understand the code and build something on your own with this. Because in current trend, using this hybrid approach clarifies so many things and it can be a better model. after all. So I've tried regression also. Maybe I'll post something for regression because LLM is for text, right? We can't just go for numbers. So I'll try something with that. Based on that, we can have regression also. Maybe next video or later, I'll try with that. So this is done. You can find the link in Git and let me know how it is like actually helping you or whether it is useful or not. Thank you.